a lot of the boxes will actually have gadgets. You can literally lick the bottom of this and you will be fine. Fishbowl, tsaka parang kikiam, tsaka isaw. Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for today's episode, we're going to touch on all three. Now, to those who don't know, the Philippines was hit with a very bad storm. So I live here in the Philippines. The disaster in the wake of Typhoon Ulysses is really next level. There are a lot of people who lost a lot of their houses. Almost 100 people lost their lives, and it's been really a terrible situation. And now to help out, we've done a bunch of fundraising efforts in my Facebook community, in my Facebook group, and we were able to raise almost 400,000 pesos. So that's a lot of money. Quick shout out, by the way, to Volve, Katha Bags, as well as Nico Pelaes, who chipped in significant amounts with our fundraising effort. Now I want to raise some more. So what I want to do in today's episode is I will give you guys a quick glimpse into the mystery boxes that I am putting together that we will be selling this November on Project 721. So Project 721 is our merch/apparel brand. And basically the plan is a certain percentage of all sales will be donated once again to our relief and rehabilitation efforts. Again, we've raised close to almost 400,000 pesos. I would love to get it closer to 500,000. So we'll be doing the first batch. We'll be sharing with you some of the items, and then I'll probably do a second batch in December. So tara, pakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga laman ng mystery box natin. Now, if you guys are not familiar with the mystery boxes that we do on Project 721, there are 3 levels. There is a 3,000 peso mystery box, there is a 5,000 peso mystery box, there is a 10,000 peso mystery box, and we are introducing a new 25,000 mystery box. Each of the items will have our merch from Project 721 that will probably be either a combination of shirts or our new socks or our new face mask. Now, each box will obviously have a special surprise or a mix of different surprises, and the surprises can be anything from sneakers, gadgets, toys, or random stuff that I think you guys will love. Ba-bam! It includes this. This is the new Jordan 5 Off-White Sale, brand new. So this is dead stock. It's perfectly 100% clean. You can literally lick the bottom of this and you will be fine. Well, I hope you'll be fine. Pero wag nyo na lang gawin yun dahil ang dami ng humawak. But yeah, this is going to be part of the mystery boxes. You guys can see, brand new. Smells amazing, smells amazing, and it still is 100% fresh. This is going to be size 9. So one of our mystery boxes will include one of our top prizes for this round, this Off-White Jordan 5 sale. Since this mystery box project is in partnership with our tech website unbox.ph, a lot of the boxes will actually have gadgets, and these are some of the gadgets that you will discover in our mystery boxes. Some of the boxes will have the Redmi 9, the Xiaomi Redmi 9 smartphone. We will also have a box that will have the Redmi Note 9S. We will have a box that will have a brand new sealed Samsung, well, it's not sealed, actually your review unit, but yeah, I just use it for like 2 days. The Samsung Galaxy M31, and we also have the Realme C3 and a ton of other smartphones. See, we have a lot of smartphones to include in our mystery boxes. By the way, something special, one of the boxes will have this. This is the Marshall UX Bridge or Uxbridge voice smart speaker. So if you are into Marshall, if you love, you know, classic looking speakers that are wireless and dope, that have smart features, yung mga hey Google, do whatever, this will do that. So one of the boxes will also contain this. Now, of course, some of the boxes will have a mix of sneakers ranging from Adidas, Ultra Boosts. Some of the boxes will have Jordans. I know I put a Jordan 1 as well as a Jordan 11 in some of the boxes, so you guys will definitely love that. In fact, one of the boxes actually has 2 sneakers. One of the boxes has an Ultra Boost as well as a Jordan 11. So whoever gets that box, congrats sa inyo. Our good friends from Deviate, they're a sock company, also sent me a couple of socks. So what I'll be doing is, apart from unboxing them now, I just want to share that some of the socks will be included in our mixed mystery boxes. Again, that will be coming out sometime this November. So they're really cool designs. This one There's like in Philippines, we call it turo-turo. Para siyang, I don't know, fishbowl. Tsaka parang kikiam, tsaka isaw na socks. We also have this one which has different emojis. It looks really cute. We will also be throwing in, wow, my hair is really messy. But yeah, we will also be throwing in these socks that they also sent over, which are in partnership with the NBA. So you can probably collect the entire NBA team or all your favorite NBA teams if you want. So if you want to, you have the Lakers over here. We have the Clippers. We have the Milwaukee Bucks. Go Lakers. And we also have another box over here. Let's just take a quick look what's inside. This one is more generic NBA. So this one is not team. So it's just different colors with the NBA logo. Again, guys, if you want to know more about DV8 socks, I will link down below to their Instagram account. Buy, order, message them if you are interested in any of their designs. Again, they will be part of our mystery box as well. And the rest of the shoes that you see here at my back, some of them will be included in this batch. Some of them will be included in batch 2 that we'll be working on in the coming days ahead. Now, if you guys want to find out more details about the mystery boxes, please do make sure that you guys like the Project 721 Facebook page and our Instagram account. We will be announcing the details of the mystery boxes on how you can get them in those channels. So again, Project 721, Facebook page and IG, the links can be found down below. That's where we will be announcing when and how you can get the boxes. Now, before we wrap up the vlog, a few more things. In case you guys haven't seen my watch of the day, this is the Bape G-Shock Limited Edition. I actually did an unboxing here on my main channel. That was the recent video. If you guys haven't seen that yet, check that out. That should be coming soon. And lastly, I am super excited to announce and share that we will be coming out with a collaboration face mask in partnership with Banale. So they are an Italian company. The masks are made in Italy, and we will be coming out with collab masks that we will be selling in time for December to you guys. And again, since we're all in the spirit of fundraising, I'm thinking that the cut that I'm going to get from the partnership, might as well donate it. And lastly, before we really end, pampagood vibes lang, I bought a bunch of Baymax inspired toys. One is a bear brick, and the other one, I have no idea what it's called, but they're both cute. So, tingnan nyo lang sila. You know, so cute. So, you have the small one over here, and then you have the 400%, I think, bear brick over here. Just a huge fan of Baymax, so nakakaaliw lang. So I just wanted to put that in para lang may papagood vibes tayo sa vlog. And with that said, this is Carlo. Guys, make sure that you check out the Project 721 Facebook page and IG for details of our drop of mystery boxes. And again, maraming salamat to everybody who donated in our Project 721 fundraising drive. Guys, that's you. You raised almost 500,000 pesos to help. That's amazing. You guys are amazing. Okay? With that said, peace, God bless. What's up? Boom.